Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before you say anything else, if you're new, welcome. You may not know what my channel is all about, but I do a lot of cleaning on this channel. So if you are not new, I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, why is her refrigerator so dirty? Well, if you were wondering that, let me tell you. This video is all about a new okay, never mind, it's not new. New to me, magical cleaning products that I just recently found out about. Are you guys intrigued? Then just keep watching. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. So here on my channel, I like to do cleaning videos. I normally order my products off of Grove Collaborative, which I'm loving. I love the Mrs. Meyers, I love the method, I'm loving all of that stuff. So rewind a couple weeks ago, my girlfriend, I was in Illinois, and she's like, hey, I'm gonna be doing a party. And I'm like, oh God, one of those direct sales company parties on Facebook. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, you totally don't have to order anything. It's a cleaning supplies or whatever. And I'm like, I was like, no, I'm good. Like, I already order from the Grove and I'm happy, you know. But I was like, yeah, go ahead and add me, because I'm always supportive of my friends. So yeah, she added me, and they started posting about it, and I'm looking and I'm like, it sounds really kind of cool, actually. They're telling us how we can get rid of all of our cleaning supply or cleaning products and just use a cloth, like a microfiber cloth. And I'm like, really? You know, when that stuff sounds too good to be true, I was thinking that, you know? So I'm like, all right. So I hopped on my good old friend Facebook, and I decided to do a little test, and I said, hey guys, I'm thinking of ordering Norwex. That's the name of the company. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but it was very new to me. I think I'd heard about it, but I didn't really know a lot about it. So I was like, hey, I'm thinking of trying Norwex. Thoughts? Is it worth the money? Because I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of an investment. It's not super cheap, but if the products work, then I'm willing to give it a shot. So literally within like 10 minutes, I had all of these posts saying, yes, oh my gosh, their products are awesome. I've been using them for years and years and years. One person said they've been using it for like 7 years, and I'm like, what? Like, how have I never heard about this company? So I was definitely intrigued. So I went on the little website, and I'm like trying to figure out what to order, because I'm like, well, if I'm gonna order some stuff, I don't just wanna get one towel. Like, I wanna try these products out, and I wanna actually give them a fair shot, you know? So I ended up ordering one of their kits. I just got this in the mail literally just now, like 20 minutes ago. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're gonna open it together. One other thing I found pretty cool, so we had a little get together at my house for Father's Day, and my grandma was here. And we got to talking about this company, and she's like, oh yeah, she goes, I've got a couple things from them. I've got a towel. She can't remember what else she said she uses from them. She's like, I've had it for so long and it works great. And I'm like, how does my grandma know about this stuff? She's like, yeah, I went to a party. So I was like, all right, if grandma likes it, then I'm definitely gonna give it a shot, because I trust her. So we are gonna dig into this box. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So, oh yeah, that's why I left this dirty, because they say that these towels are really good at cleaning stainless. So I wanna put it to the test. I wanted to make sure it was super dirty so that we could give it a real shot. So we are gonna dig in, and I'm seeing this stuff for the first time too, okay? So we're gonna dig in and show you guys what I got. Oh, also, I don't really know that I need to say this, but I am not a consultant for this company. I honestly don't even know the person I bought from. I was helping out one of my friends. She doesn't even sell it. It was like a friend of a friend. So I've never even met her. I wanted to try these products. So if anyone is interested, I will somehow link her information down below if you guys want to check it out. Just, you know, so it'll be there. All right, so you open up the box. Lots of green paper. Oh my gosh, so like literally the little kit, it literally comes like all together. I thought everything would be like individually in there, but it is literally in one bag. Okay, so this is the kit that I bought, the Safe Haven package. So we're gonna dig into that in a minute. It's called the Norwex Bathroom Cleaner. So the cool thing about these products is like you can clean most everything with just the cloths, but it does come with a cleaning paste, which I don't know anything about this stuff, so we'll dig into it together. I'll figure out what we can clean with that. And then it also comes with a laundry detergent, but I guess you can use that for other cleaning stuff. But I figured I needed, like, I don't think any of those would clean my toilet. So I wanted to have a bathroom cleaner just so I could clean the toilet as well. So I would pretty much have my whole house covered with just these products. So yeah, this says 2-in-1 formula for effective cleaning and descaling. Oh, cool. Biodegradable, ultra concentrated, cleans toilets and non-stone bathroom surfaces. So yeah, probably not on your countertops, but maybe like tubs, sinks, toilets. Okay, so yeah, we'll put that to the test. So it says, thank you for supporting the Norwex mission and a promise for a brighter future. At Norwex, we are real people making a real impact. 100% of our energy comes from renewable sources, and we pack your orders using biodegradable airbags. Cool. It says, since 2013, our recycling efforts have saved more than 15,000 trees. That's awesome. We have saved over 6.2 million gallons of water, and we have saved more than 3.6 million kilowatt hours of energy, enough to power 304 homes a year. Wow. Or 304 homes for a year. That is awesome. All right, cool. This is what the Safe Haven package this is how it comes. You get all these towels, and like I said, there's the laundry detergent, and there's a little cleaning paste over here. So when you open it up, oh my goodness, okay. What are all of you? All right, this is the Spiri Sponge. You get 2 of these. They're safe for using on Teflon and most smooth stovetops, not recommended on brushed stainless steel appliances. Okay, so definitely won't be using that on this. Let's see. It's a great little scrubber. Use wet and always test in an inconspicuous spot to clean, hand wash with dish soap, or place on the top rack of your dishwasher. Okay. So yeah, we'll definitely try that out. Talk about these cleaners first, and then we'll dig into the actual towels. Like, these are apparently the magic towels. Okay, so this is the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. But I saw what the consultants did is they put this and added it with water in like a mason jar and kept it like that so you can use it. I am excited to try this on my micro suede couch. So I was reading about that, like put this in a little bit of water in a squirt bottle and spray it on there and maybe use one of these towels with it. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna use it, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, that's that. And then the cleaning paste cleans, polishes, and protects in one application. Can be used on chrome, plastic, ceramics, porcelain tiles, and similar materials. But yeah, I even saw them using this stuff to clean. Oh my gosh. Do you wet it? Yeah, I think I saw them using it to clean like jewelry and stuff. So I guess it has a lot of uses. What here? Oh, good, they're labeled. Okay. So first of all, this is the dusting mitt. How cute is that? So all of these, I believe, are microfiber, I think, but they're not like that weird feeling microfiber, you know? This is actually very, very soft. And this looked cool because it was like, they were saying how you like end up dusting stuff that you didn't really think you would dust because it's more fun. Weird, you know? Okay, this is the Enviro. I think this is supposed to be like the magic one where you wet it and then you're supposed to like fold it into 4s and then clean with it, and it literally removes 99% of the bacteria. So like when we're using our wipes, like Clorox and whatnot, like those wipes and cleaners, all we're doing is moving around the bacteria and smearing it around and like whatever, but this is supposed to remove it, like completely take it off. I don't know, I'm skeptical, trust me, I am. Okay, and then this is the kitchen towel. So, like I said, I still need to read about, like, I don't know how to use any of these. This one is another kitchen towel. This one, oh yeah, so this is the window one, right? Yeah, window. So what they say to do is wet this, wipe down your stainless, and then wipe it with this. And it's supposed to be like the shiniest stainless steel you've ever seen in your life. So I'm excited to try that. And then these are the body cloths. So it's really cool how they like, here, I didn't show you guys. It actually says on each tag like what everything is. There, so see, like that one's the kitchen. This one's another kitchen. Oh, and they're kind of color coordinated too. I know they have a ton of different colors. I wasn't able to pick my colors because I got this package. So there's the Enviro Cloth. And then this one is the window. But yeah, there's a ton of different colors. So yeah, if you don't end up getting a package, then you can pick your colors. So these body cloths, there's 3 of them. And when I think body, I'm like, oh, are they like like body towels? Clearly not. It's like a washcloth. So yeah, that says body up here. So what these do, what they say are really awesome with these, is you wet them and you can remove all your makeup with just this. What? Trust me, I will be putting that to the test as well. So yeah, that is everything in this kit. That is everything I got. I think I'm just gonna do a couple things, like maybe I'll just do the stainless steel with it right now, and then I'll start like a little series on my channel where I go through and show you how I dust with this stuff, and I'll show you how I cleaned on my couch with these products, because that would be way too much to do for one video. So I think that's what we'll do for now. So hang tight, we're gonna do a couple little tests, and then I'll come back with my final review. Okay, you guys, so we're back. I'm leaning, oh my God, you can see my shorts. Oh my gosh, I'm not even like dressed from the bottoms down. I need to go change. Sorry about that, guys. I was totally in my PJ bottoms. See, that's the funny thing. You guys can only see from here up, so you have no idea what we're wearing on the bottoms. We could be in our underwear. Okay, so what I did was I went and wet this. This is the Enviro Cloth, and I'm gonna fold it like this. Like this is how they say to fold it. Or maybe I could fold it again. I don't know. I think they say to like have it like flat like that, so it, I don't know, it's supposed to work the best like that. So I'm just gonna wipe my stainless. So then you're supposed to take the window cloth, which is dry, and wipe it with this. And it's supposed to shine it. Am I doing it wrong? I mean, maybe my towel's not wet enough? Let's see. Okay, yeah, so I think what I was doing, I think it has to still kind of be wet when you wipe it with the window cloth, right? Okay, that actually looks really stinking good. So I think the key is to, when you wipe it, don't let it dry all the way. Wipe it quickly with the window cloth. I'm definitely gonna read up on it before I do some more videos on it, because I definitely wanna make sure I'm doing things right for you guys. I do wanna tell you guys one more thing that the consultant did when she was doing the party for us. So well, 2 things, oh my gosh, she blew my mind. Okay, so the first thing she did, she was in her kitchen and she walked over to her backsplash, like over there, like that. I am not brave enough to do it, maybe one day. She walked over with a red Sharpie, wrote on the backsplash, and then walked away. Said, we'll go back to that. And I was like, having a heart attack. I was like, what? How is that gonna come off? And so she went back like a little while later, and I think she used the paste, this cleaning paste. It wiped right up. I think she used the Enviro Cloth, literally wiped right off. And I was like, okay, I need that in my life. And then the other thing she did, which was super cool, so she did the chicken test, the raw chicken test. She took like a raw chicken breast, rubbed it all over her countertop, which was disgusting. And then she had these little test strips, you know, like that the health department uses at restaurants. And she tested the chicken, and of course it turned purple, which is dirty, which means bad. And so then she took this handy dandy little Enviro Cloth, wiped it up, just like one wipe, went like that, swabbed it again, and it was green, which is clean. It was completely clean. And then she took this cloth with the chicken juice on it and rubbed it on like a clean part of the countertop, which you would think all the chicken juice would get on there. No, she took the swab and swabbed it. It was green. Everything absorbed into the flippin' towel. I was like, what? So yeah, I thought that was really freaking cool. So I was super excited to get these products. Like I said, I'm gonna do a series. Maybe we'll do like 2 a week or 1 a week. I don't want you guys to get annoyed with all these products because, you know, I get it. But yeah, maybe we'll do that and I'll just kind of show you guys how some of these work and we'll see if they work because I'm still testing these out. So far, I'm definitely intrigued. I would say my fridge looks really flippin' good right now. So I definitely think they work, but I'm excited to try all the other products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to link down below if you guys are interested in checking out her website and checking out the products. Like I said, I got the Safe Haven package and the bathroom cleaner. So, all right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.